Magandang gabi. Narito ang mga nangungunang balita sa araw na ito. Isang kabataang mag-aaral mula sa Pampanga State Agricultural University ang viral ngayon sa social media dahil sa kanyang video na tumatalakay sa problemang pangkalikasan ng buong mundo. Narito ang kanyang naturang video. A pleasant day everyone. I'm John Clifford G. Lasing, a college student from Pampanga State Agricultural University or PSAU. Yes, some of you didn't know or heard nothing about me. I may not have the authority, or you may think that I'm too young to be heard about this. But I still believe that each and every one of us have the right to speak or express our thoughts. So if you care about the world we're living in, please lend me your ears and hear me out. Are we truly aware? Are we truly aware about what's happening in our environment? Others are aware, yet they tend not to care. Luckily, there are few or some that still care and help or make actions or things that can help in our environment. Earth is home to millions of species. Just one dominates it. Us. Our cleverness, our inventiveness, and our activities have modified almost every part of our planet. In fact, we are having a big impact on it. Indeed, our cleverness, our inventiveness, and our activities are now the drivers or what causes every global and environmental problem we face. Human activities. Our activities are the ones dealing impact in our environment, yet others are unaware. Rapid growth of population, pollution, overuse of resources, and other human activities are example of. Rapid growth of population is leading to pollution and too much consumption of resources. As the population grows, the need of such resources rises and pollution in bodies of land, water, and air is worsened. We could still save and prevent destruction of our environment by practicing or doing these three ways or knowledge that I will share unto you. The first one is a simple to do yet hard for others. This is the term discipline. Why discipline? Some people practice this, but most do not. In the simple situation of throwing trash into the right bins, I would say in my opinion that in the ratio of 10 people, 5 or less would throw the trash into the right bins, and the 5 others would throw it anywhere. We are not disciplined enough with our actions, and these actions are leading to pollution of bodies of land, water, and air, which also us and other organisms are affected. How cruel people are. Second one, the government should implement bills or laws against any form of activity that could harm or damage the environment. Government should be more focused on protecting the environment and not busy corrupting or grafting the country's money. Government have the authority or the right to implement these said laws, but they don't have the will in doing it. Lastly, the root of all problems. We need to slow down the rapid growth of population. The rapid growth of population is the cause of different environmental problems because as the human increases, human activities also increases. Rapid growth of population leads to increase of need and consumption of resources. And as human increases, pollution also be worsened and such urbanization occur. The habitat of animals and farmlands would be turned into houses or other infrastructures. As I close, I hope that everyone who watched in this video would care and be aware about their actions, because these actions could affect what can happen on the future years or generations. That's all. Thank you.